How to add admin on Facebook page mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add admin on Facebook page mobile. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Facebook app. Once you have done that, simply open Facebook. Click on the three lines found on the lower right corner of the screen if you're using iPhone, or you may click on the three lines on the upper right of your screen if you are using Android. And then go to Pages right here and choose the page that you are managing. So for example, this one. Once you're here, click on the Settings button found on the upper right corner of the screen and go to Page Roles. Once you're right here, click on Add Person to Page and type in their name. So I would like to add this one, my other account. So click on their name or their profile and make sure to choose Admin right here and click on Add on the bottommost part of the screen. Wait for it to load, and as you can see, you have added that person as an admin. So you may go back to your page right here, refresh it, and then that's it. So just a recap, go to settings right here, go to page roles, click on add person to page, type in their name or their username, and then add them as an admin. So that's it. That's how you can add admin on Facebook page mobile. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.